This is my house in Tehsil Mari, Pakistan, and these are the wild honeybees that we managed to trap today. You all must be curious to know how we did it, as everybody loves to have pure honey. In order to get it, you have to work hard and watch this video in order to learn. Today is 14th of April 2020 and the sun is just rising up. It is a clear blue sky and it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and a sunny day is expected today, and temperature is going to be around about 15 to 22 degrees centigrade. It is a perfect temperature for honeybees to swarm. Look at the beauty and variety of trees and flowers, and nature prevails everywhere. Wordsworth's spirit must be wanting in this nature. And as Keats says, a thing of beauty is joy forever. So look at this beautiful place. And the honeybees may be sitting in the trees, must be looking for a suitable place in these houses. Subscribe my channel. I will offer you to visit this beautiful place and to have a cup of tea as well. It is difficult to locate for scout bees, so I have assigned the duty to these boys to locate for them. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
The honeybees will search for a suitable place under these shades of these houses, in any wall or in any tree or in any box which is already prepared for them. As the kids who were assigned with the duty to locate for the honeybee, they have informed me that a honeybee which was surveying this area under the shade has entered into the room, and finally it is in the kitchen. I am trying to catch it with a shopping bag. This is one of the simplest method. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube in which different methods are used, and that is to search for the queen and have specialized boxes for them. But this is one of the simplest method. Use this shopping bag. This method can be used in any part of the world. So we are not talking about professional people. The people who are not professional in beekeeping, if they are interested and if they witness honeybees searching for a proper place in their area, they can use it in hilly area or in plain areas as well. So this is one of the simplest methods. So the bees in the shopper, you can see it. I will put it into the box since it was looking for a proper place. So here is the box which was already prepared for them. Last year there was a hive as well. It was captured in a similar manner. Now I'll put this honeybee in this box, and we must take extraordinary care since the honeybees are very sensitive. They're very sensitive, and a little bit of force on the honeybee can crush it. So I'm trying to push it in, and it is in. Since it was looking for a proper area, it was sent by the superiors of the hive to search for a proper place, as the swarming bees need a special area, a suitable area to settle in. So this is one of the box. In the previous years there was a hive. I am putting out the shopper And if after carrying out a detailed survey of the box, so I have given this bee a new name with the name of surveyor bee, since these bees carries on survey. So from now onward, after watching this video, call this honeybee which used to search for a suitable place a surveyor bee. This is a new name I am giving to these kind of scout bees. This is a new name. It is still in. Oh, finally it has come out, and it is going in again. It is carrying out a detailed survey of the box, and it has flown somewhere. I think maybe to call the other honeybees, and we are waiting, still waiting. And there is a special mechanism in the honeybees that with their body frequency, with their signals, they can call. Now it has come again, and it has been accompanied by another honeybee. So the number is increasing. So we are waiting whether the other honeybee will be attracted to this area or not. With the body signal, they will send the message to the rest of honeybees who are searching in this area. And soon, and there is another one. It has gone in, followed by another, and there is a third one. So the number is increasing, and this phenomena will carry on for half an hour. They will call another 50 to 60 to 100 honeybees. They will carry out a detailed survey of the box, within the box and outside the box, looking for the shades, taking all the precautionary measures that the rain will not interrupt them, and there is no opening in the box to let the insects come in. So this phenomena carries on, and we are waiting here at least for 40 minutes, and the number of honeybees are increasing. After waiting for an hour, you can see that honeybees are pouring in thousands of numbers. The surveyor bee honeybees who are carrying out a detailed survey have finally passed the box, which was specifically made for them, and the hive has arrived. So the effort has finally brought a success. You can also catch honeybees by following the method shown in the video, as this is one of the simplest methods in the world to catch the wild swarming honeybees. I was accompanied by my two sons, Abdul Manan Abbasi and Ayan Abbasi, all through the day, and they are also happy. So as my rest of family, my wife and my neighbors, they have also arrived. And by using method, let me tell you that at least 4 to 5 hives are arrived in the surrounding area as well in these 2 to 3 days. So look at this, they are pouring in a lot of numbers. The hive have increased. So I am happy. You can also get the same kind of happiness. So here I am showing the victory, as victory is also joyful at the end of the day. So here is my son Abdul Manan Abbasi. He is also happy and joyful after witnessing all this. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.